Hi, good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Lovely weather in Bangalore, Chennai, where Mr. Gopkumar is addressing. I think they're hit by a cyclone called Mandosa or something. I really don't know. It's something to start with, but lovely weather in entire southern part of India. And what a wonderful day today. And the subject, electrical safety audit. It was a need of the hour. We all aware how the electrical safety audits being conducted in most of the buildings. So whenever there's a fire in a building, whether it is a commercial or a healthcare or a hospitality industry, immediately the need for the electrical audit arises. Do we have any standard for electrical safety audit? How periodically we need to do this? Is it every year, every once in a 6 months? And how do we need to really do a safety? And who are those people who can do audit? So today, Mr. Gopakumar will be touching upon this. Whether are we doing rightly? Are we capable of doing the right way? The safety audit is what is going to. The subject is quite huge. The subject is quite huge. So we divided into two parts. And as I was chatting with many of our participants who are quite regular, so they were suggesting that make it more interactive, get us also, talk on this. So we'll try to, adopt this to make it more interactive session. I'm sure today we'll try. And those who wish to interact with Mr. Gopakumar, specific to this, my request to all the participants is stick to the subjects that we are covering. Let's not go to the earth pit. Let's not talk about the short circuits and all that. So it makes sense for us to address to this subject. So if you're talking to us, you're coming online, please stick to the subject that we are addressing today, that is electrical safety audit. Myself, my name is Dominic. I've been in the fire industry almost now, 35 years. Through Gopakumar, I'm also learning about electrical safety. So, as I always believe, knowledge and learning has no age. So while I'm, hosting this, I'm also learning. It's amazing to see the knowledge that is there in the library to share. So I've been, the founder of the Fire and Security Association of India. Now it's become one of the premier institutions. Then also we have a focus forum of critical utility services, which brings all the professionals in the construction industry together on a single platform. I want to thank Fire Safe India Foundation. I want to thank CAVO, all the supporting organization for our webinar series. As you are aware, we started almost 1.5 years back through the support of Cape Electric to begin this knowledge series. As they are almost 25 years in this business, they found that knowledge is the need of the hour. The way we do installation, the way we practice, Mr. Cooper decided that let's carry out our own webinar series that can change and make our nation more safer. I don't need much introduction about CAPE, a well-known company today. And in 2022, this year, they launched Solve, a digital platform as a knowledge and process partner to ensure safe operation of low voltage electricity. And Mr. Gopakumar is a very active member in various standards and codes, IEC, National Building Code, and is a working committee member and in the NEC. So there are many contribution he's been doing in the standards and codes. He carried out more than hundreds of case studies, failure analysis of electronic equipment, and hundreds and electrical accident analysis. So over 1,000 training, he's been traveling length and breadth. Today, he is more demanded in the rest of the country like Philippines, South Africa. He's traveling now. He started traveling everywhere. People are appreciating his knowledge. And I'm sure the year 2023, his presence, his knowledge will spread across the globe, not limited to our country alone. He's a member of working group of various IEC and BAS committee, which I mentioned below. And very interesting is he has published an article about fire safety in various magazines and published a book called Missing Link in the subject of electrical safety. Now, I think I must request our Gopakumar to release the second edition of Missing Link. When you gather all those webinar we have been conducted, I'm sure he can write volume of books that is missing in our industry. So I would like to welcome Mr. Gopakumar to begin this first part of electrical safety audit. I request once again all the audience, the participant, do not post your question in the chat box. There is a Q&A box that is available in this Zoom. So put all your question answer. Please mention your name. Mention your name, that's important, and relevant to the subject that we are speaking. So we will not be taking any question not related to today's subject. With this, I welcome Mr. Gopakumar. Over to you, sir.